Hello and welcome along people to another one of my little videos. This video is going to be made on my driveway because we're still effectively in lockdown. One of my colleagues asked me if I would do a video of my sidecar, the fixtures and fittings if you will, and try and explain what they all do. So come on in, let's have a look. Okay, so I decided to start this little video at the rear wheel, good a place as any I think. The centre of the rear wheel has a standard centre from a BMW R1150GS. The rim is from a car and also the tyre is from a car. I have used a standard motorcycle rear wheel before now and tried to put a car tyre onto it. Unfortunately, it falls off the bead. Take it from me, as a voice of experience here. I've had it happen twice, and tyre fitting centres really don't like putting car tyres onto motorcycle rims. So this setup makes it much easier. Sidecar fittings or connections connect the sidecar to the motorcycle. They are effectively triangles. For strength and rigidity, they are adjustable to set the caster and camber and also the toe in or toe out. On a standard BMW 1150GS, there is no frame under the engine. The engine is part of the frame. Hedingham sidecars made a subframe. Mounting points could then be positioned on the subframe The subframe runs under the engine and up the front, connecting to a custom-made headstock. Allowing a lower yoke to be added. The standard BMW telelever suspension has been replaced with leading link forks, allowing for better handling. I have ridden sidecars without leading link forks. I really didn't enjoy it very much. Leading link forks makes steering much easier. Conventional forks trail up under braking, whereas leading link forks push down or trail down, making steering a lot easier. If we look at the sidecar wheel is forward of the rear wheel. This is all part of the geometry of a sidecar outfit. On our sidecar, there is a sidecar brake fitted. Not all sidecars have sidecar brakes. The suspension on our sidecar is torsion bar suspension. That's the end of the torsion bar. It runs underneath the width of the sidecar, comes out the other side, and my wife will vouch for it, saying it's a very comfortable ride. Our sidecar has a boot underneath the seat of the sidecar. More room for stuff. And if more room for stuff is needed, we even have a trailer on the back. Now I have been asked silly questions when I ride my sidecar. Does the sidecar come off? No, it's permanently fixed, with all the fixings I showed you earlier. That's why I have one with and one without. This, to a sidecar personage, is called a solo because it doesn't have a sidecar, whereas this is a sidecar outfit. Other silly questions I've been asked Does the sidecar fall off? Does it have a porridge cannon? No, that's only in movies. If you haven't tried it, don't knock it. It's good fun, honestly. One last thing before I go. The fact that the sidecar is on the left-hand side in England and in Ireland, in effect, it makes the sidecar a right-hand drive vehicle. If you go to mainland Europe, the sidecar will be on the other side of the motorbike. That's it, people. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't, please leave a thumbs down. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Whether you're on a sidecar or a solo, take care, people. Bye. Remember, don't forget to subscribe.